and welcome back to my channel. My name is Jennifer, and in today's video we'll be looking at the back stitch. And if you're new to my channel, I do embroidery and Busilla kits and all that good stuff, so please check out those. If you aren't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button. The back stitch is rather simple. I remember when I first learned how to do the back stitch, I was kind of confused on how to start it. So for today, I'm working on some just white felt, and I just grabbed a pencil and a ruler and I kind of just made a line to work on. I'm using 2 strands of light green thread, and let me show you how to do the back stitch. So since I'm right-handed, I'm going to be starting on the left and going right. If you're left-handed, you might want to start this way and go that way, whichever is easiest for you. So we're actually going to start here on this end. Okay, so to start, we're going to come up from the back and see how where the line starts. We're actually going to go right here and start here. And I'm going to make the back stitch really big so you can see what I'm doing. Normally back stitches aren't this big, but I want you to actually see the stitch. Okay, so we start here and we go forward. Okay, we're going to go about there. And I'm going super slow for you. Normally I do this way faster, but okay, so there's the beginning. Okay, so now we're going to come back and we're going to guesstimate how long. So the trick is to make sure that the stitches are consistent. Okay, so we're going to come here. So we're going to go from the back again and bring it up. And then we're going to come back down where we started. Okay, so we're going to meet where we started. I'm going to pull it through. Okay. See how that's forming? Okay, I'm going to keep going. Again, going from the back, kind of guesstimating the distance, because these are rather long back stitches. And then we're going to come back down where this one stops. Okay, I'm going to do a few more. Going up. And then coming back down. Okay, last one, coming back up, and then going back down. Okay, there is the back stitch. It's kind of pretty. So that's what it looks like from the front, and that's what it looks like from the back. Another way you can do this, and this is how I do it, because I usually don't go all the way in the back, but for beginners I would do it this way, just so that you have a consistent stitch. Now if you've been doing this for a while, like myself, I'm actually going to turn myself around here and go the other way, just for fun, and I'm just going to show you how I do them. Okay. Trying to make them big. There we go. Guesstimate the distance. Okay. So you see that they're very similar the way I do them. So if I'm in a hurry and I want to do a back stitch really quick, that's how I do it. If you're new to this, go nice and slow the way I did it. Rewind this video and start from the beginning and do as I did right here. You'll get a very consistent stitch that way. So I hope you liked this tutorial, and if you haven't yet, please like this video if you liked it, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already to check out more awesome videos, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!